Hey again, this is the second part of my video of putting down a vinyl floor. This floor just lays right on top of it. You don't have to glue, and it just pushes together. It's just laying on top of your old floor. I'm making a piece here to go in the door, you know, to put your panel up against. You just have to measure that out and cut it out. And I'm going to tack it a little bit so it doesn't move with some small colored nails, just one on each side. And it really helps to have one of these saws, because you have to cut out here for it to slide up, so it'll be good and neat. I've got 2 more of these to cut out, and now I'm going to start laying some more floor down.
And I'll let you toothbrush really.
Just got through making another threshold. I have another one for this door to make. This was part 2. I know it's not a very long one, but it takes quite a while to put this much down. I've already put the furniture back on part of it. But there'll be a part 3 where we'll work on it some more. Be sure to subscribe so you can see all the different parts of my videos. And hit like. Thanks for watching.